want this side of the court. The sun gets in my eyes over there. You got it last time. It's my turn. I'm younger so I get what I want. I'm older so I get to boss you around, and I am telling you to go to the other side. That's not fair. Just because you are older it doesn't mean you get to tell me which side to go on. I still don't want the side where the sun shines in my eyes. If we don't stop arguing we won't have enough time to play at all. Just go over there and let's get started. Oh fine. I'll go over there. Yes, I get the better side. We'll see about that. What do you mean? Don't worry. You'll see. Ah. We took so long that the sun moved to the other side. Ha ha ha.